Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda CRF125F. This is the youth dirt bike with electric start, the big wheel version. Good for a rider who knows how to operate a clutch or wants to learn. Beautiful condition for a used dirt bike. It's got the hand guards also. Come on by and make your youth dirt bike dreams come true for just $27.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.